Music pausing for no reason? Right when you're vibing to your favorite track? Boom, silence. It's frustrating. You're not alone. Millions of users experience random pauses every single day. But here's the good news. There are reasons and there are solutions. So stick with me for the next few minutes because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Let's start with the most common culprit, battery optimization setting. Your phone may be cutting off YouTube Music in the background to save power. If you're using Android, go to your battery settings and turn off optimization of YouTube Music. That alone can fix the issue for a huge number of users. Another major cause, data saver mode or just a weak internet connection. Buffering causes playback to stop, especially when streaming in high quality on a bad network. Make sure you are connected to strong Wi-Fi or LTE and check that data saver isn't blocking your music. Also switch your quality setting to auto if you're unsure. Now let's talk YouTube Music Premium. If you're on the free version, background play just won't work. Lock your screen or switch apps and bam, music stops. It's not a bug, it's a premium-only feature. One of the biggest limitations for free users. Next, we've got the app cache. Yeah, that's silent saboteur. Too much junk stored over time can glitch your playback. Head to your settings, clear the cache for YouTube Music, and you might just see an instant fix. Better yet, reinstall the app if clearing doesn't work. Bluetooth users, this one's for you. If you're using wireless headphones or connecting to your car's audio system, connection drops can pause your tunes. Keep your firmware updated and try repairing your devices. The simple step solves Bluetooth-related pauses more often than you'd think. Still with me? Good. Let's keep going because you're just getting warmed up. Some devices have screen timeout or sleep mode settings that pause media apps. If your phone goes idle and the music stops, check your screen timeout settings and keep it active during playback. Don't forget about permissions. If YouTube Music doesn't have full background access, it's likely to misbehave. Grant all necessary permissions through your phone's app settings. Yes, even that small checkbox matters. YouTube Music also has its own in-app playback settings. Go in and make sure there's nothing toggled that restricts background use or streaming while on mobile data. This is a hidden setting many users miss. What if none of this works? Then we may be looking into a software bug or glitch. YouTube Music updates frequently and sometimes introduces problems with those updates. If that's the case, your best option is to report the issue to support and wait for the next patch. Another interesting issue, account conflicts. If you're logged into the same Google account on multiple devices, playback may pause unexpectedly. Try logging out of all devices, then back in on just one. Let's pause for a second. You've probably realized you're not crazy. YouTube Music can be buggy, but in 90% of cases, it's totally fixable with the steps we've covered. Want the fastest checklist? Disable battery optimization. Use strong Wi-Fi. Upgrade to premium for background play. Clear the cache. Check Bluetooth permissions and your in-app settings. And if you are a power listener, premium may be worth it just for the background playback alone. No ads, no interruptions, just pure flow. So the next time your music stops unexpectedly, don't panic, just troubleshoot. YouTube Music is powerful, but it does need a little tweaking to work perfectly. And now you've got the exact roadmap to it. Smash that like button if this helped, subscribe for more smart fixes, and keep your playlist playing. No more pauses.